I'm not gonna lie, the world of fintech never ceases to amaze me. Did you know that now you can use your debit card to build your credit? Pretty sure you didn't know that, huh? Well, in this video, we're gonna be talking about the Extra card, and they aim to build your credit with a debit card. So what is up? I'm Brandon Young. On this channel, I teach you how to make, save, and invest money. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss a beat. We know all over the world that hundreds and millions of Americans that they either don't want a credit card or they're not able to get a credit card. And sometimes credit cards does come with those high interest rates, that inaccessibility, and the risk of overspending. Now, Extra Card's primary goal is to create a safe environment for you to be able to credit build without feeling all those pitfalls and scariness of having a credit card, which is actually pretty cool. Now you must be wondering, how does Extra actually work? Essentially, it's 3 simple steps. Now, Extra Card allows you to connect to any type of bank that you may have with the Plaid app. Basically, after you connect your bank account, they analyze your balance and they give you a real-time spending amount based off of your real-time balance, so you don't end up spending more than you don't have, which is pretty good. Now, every time you swipe your Extra card, they're gonna go ahead and spot you that money that you're gonna use to buy whatever you're trying to purchase. And then what happens is the next business day, they're gonna go ahead and take that money out of your account to pay themselves back. At the end of the month, what they're gonna do is they're gonna take a tally of all the expenses that you use the Extra card to use for that month, and they're gonna go ahead, tally that up. They're gonna send it to all the credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and real time, that is going to help improve your credit score. They basically use this process to report it as credit payments. Now, this sounds like a really good process, so let's go through a couple of questions that you may have about the Extra card, because I'm pretty sure a lot may be running through your head. It's not a secured card because usually with the secure card, you're going to have to put down a deposit before you can even use the card. So cards such as the Chime Credit Builder, you usually had to put money into your spending account, and essentially that money that you put into the spending account typically becomes your credit limit. Is Extra card really a debit card? And the answer is it's kind of a combination of both. You see, with the Extra card, it's gonna allow you to credit build. It's going to allow you to get reward points, as well as you can connect to any type of bank, as well as it allows you to get 24/7 support. Typically with regular debit cards, they're not going to allow you to get any reward points. It does not credit build, and you're usually kind of limited to one bank at a time. And is the Extra card a credit card? Which the answer would probably be no as well. Credit cards are usually going to charge 17% interest rates. They're going to ask for credit checks for you to be able to get the credit card in general. They have 30-day payment cycles, as well as they don't offer that crazy customer service. So with the Extra card, you're gonna have daily payment. So it's not gonna be a 30-day payment cycle. It's going to be paid off daily, as well as you don't have any credit checks or any interest rates. So you don't have any of that to worry about. Which credit bureaus does Extra actually report to? Now, currently they report to Experian and Equifax at the end of every month. So you're gonna get that consistent reporting, and you usually would see it around the 15th day of that month that you've started using it, around that time or after a month. Does Extra actually report my credit utilization? Now, since Extra is paying daily, you're not going to have any credit utilization. It won't be something that is high because you're not holding a limit like you would typically do on a regular credit card. So you don't really have to worry about credit utilization. It usually is always going to be 0% because it's being paid off daily, which is a good factor in helping you to increase your credit score dramatically. Now, with all that being said, Extra is gonna run you about $7 a month, and they do offer 1% cash back on all purchases, which is great because on your regular debit card, how much you get in cash back? My final thoughts about Extra, I feel like it is a great financial tool to help you to improve your credit score, which is very detrimental for getting cars, buying houses, just being a big important adult in the long run. I know a lot of people are scared of credit cards, and with this, it's a simple way to wean your way into the credit card world. Or if you're somebody who doesn't want to use a credit card in general, but you want to increase your credit score, this can be a tool that you use to get started in the game. If you're interested in Extra, go ahead and check out their website, go read a little bit more about the company before going to apply. But I feel like this is a great financial instrument to help you to increase your credit, which we all want to do. Let's face it, we all want to do. We all want that good 750 to 800 credit score. I know I do. So what about you? If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave me a like, go subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.